everyone, welcome to the festive ensemble that is happening at the Designers Courtyard for 2 days, that is 7th and 8th of November. And if you want to check out the collection this time, before swiping left, we are going to show you the collection as well. So don't forget to check out and don't forget to visit 7th and 8th of November at the Designers Courtyard. The detailed address is pinned in the description box.
Hi, my brand name is Cardinals and this is my collection.
Hi, my brand name is Libel Kosha Patel and this is my collection.
Hi, my brand name is Quirky Jewelry and this is my collection.
Hi, my brand name is Satika and this is my collection.
My brand name is Creative Threads and this is my collection.
This is brand Mo by Manjari and this is their collection.
Hi, this collection is from Nirma.
Hi, my brand name is Amari and this is my collection.
Brand House of Aurika and this is their collection.
This is brand Creative Threads. Hello, ma'am.
Hi,
Yes.
we have come up with festive collection
Okay.
and pre-wedding suits.
Lovely. Perfect for pre-wedding
Yes.
occasions and small events, puja, grah shanti. Look at that. If you want something for haldi, mehendi.
Cord.
Okay, that's a quad set. Something with dupatta. Alright.
Some more pieces.
Okay.
Cotton as well. These cords are on mull.
Okay. They are on mull.
More colors.
Alright. These are very smart. You can wear them for office, your routine.
Yes.
Alright.
We have jacket cords as well.
Jacket quads. Okay. With blazer.
Yes.
Very, very comfortable, I'm
One
sure.
more design we have in that.
Very smart. This is brand Cardinals. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, we'll showcase you our festive collection today. Starting from Banarasi silk, we have this Banarasi silk quad set. We have some with dupattas also. Sizes
Okay.
and colors can be customized.
Alright.
We have come up with all the new designs. This is something Chandbali with contrast patchwork with it. We have different colors in this.
Okay.
We have designs like this also. You can pair your bandhani and patola dupatta with this.
Yeah.
We have some colors.
Wow.
Something like this.
Love
Some
the blue.
this color as well. These
Right.
are three-piece sets.
Okay.
Then we have some kurta sets like this.
Okay.
These are again three-piece sets with contrast dupattas in it.
Lovely.
Same color dupattas can be customized as well.
Okay.
We have a design, something like this.
Alright.
We have something in rose gold with again patchwork and handwork in it.
Okay.
We have something in ombre also. We have
This is brand Nirvab K. Yes, ma'am. Please tell us.
So they have a lot of festive collection.
Okay. Lot of festive.
Handwork detailing on the
beautiful.
top.
Okay.
Beautiful detailings on the sleeve.
Lovely. Very pretty. Look at that. If you like subtle pastel shades, they have options of that too.
A lot of saris.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this. Tissues with checks.
Yeah. Beautiful
Lot of
pastel.
pastels.
Lovely.
Lot of brights.
Mm-hmm.
Rust.
Look at that.
Again some pastels.
Beautiful options. Again, this is brand Nirvab K. Look at that bright, beautiful blue and pink. Lovely. Just look at that. This is brand House of Aurika. Yes, ma'am.
So House of Aurika, they have from Kutch and they're going to get a lot of mix and match bandage, not the
Okay.
typical boring bandage.
Okay.
And yes, I'm just going to show a glimpse. Entire range is landing tomorrow morning.
Okay. Just look at that. This is just a glimpse, trust me. Look at that.
The best sellers.
These are their best sellers. Just look at the options they have.
Rai bandage.
Rai bandage, and look at the combination. Very interesting.
The one I am wearing.
Yes, the one that
Pastel
ma'am is
blue.
wearing. Beautiful. This is brand Quirky and they are here with their quirky jewelry. As you can see, these are earrings. They have stackable bracelet options. Something very interesting in pearls. They have loads of options. They have something in designer pieces, something that you can wear in multiple ways. Now let us quickly see how we can pair this. Yes, ma'am.
The way I'm wearing it, and you can
Okay.
even remove this and wear it as a single line.
Look
We
at
have multiple
that.
color options and everything.
Okay, so they have
These are all
multiple
designer
color
pieces.
options. This is an open lariat that you can wear in multiple ways.
Yeah.
Just look at that. Very pretty.
Yes.
So according to your neckline, you can wear it. And with that, they have something like this that goes with all your apparels. They have balis, ear cuffs, haslis. They have loads of earrings options as well here. They have these pendants for kids as well. They have beautiful options in earrings, rings as well. So this is brand Quirky, and yes, let's check out this. This is brand Mo by Manjari. Yes, ma'am.
So they have again festive wear,
Okay.
doing some mix and match thing.
Yes, they have a lot of fusion pieces that you can see.
Ajrak.
Just look at the work that is done with Ajrak. Tissues, very pretty. Okay,
Look at this.
okay, lovely. They also have dress materials.
Yes. Again some saris.
Beautiful. So they have saris, Mavi. Both the options. Look at that. Lovely. Bandage also. Very pretty.
Hi, I'm from Satika. I have Banarasi collection
Okay.
of beautiful dupattas with lot of meenakari, jhalwar, kadwa, weaving. All the dupattas comes with tassels,
They are all with
Beautiful,
tassels.
yes.
Very pretty.
pastel colors, Indian colors,
Lovely. Just look at the collection that ma'am has.
big motif, small motif, whatever you want. I have
Very
everything in Indian.
Lovely.
Yeah, if you want something with bandage and Banarasi, then I have
Okay.
this.
Best of both the worlds. Bandage and Banarasi.
Something with bandage, Banarasi and Ahmedabadi, fusion
Okay.
of everything.
Alright. They also have dress materials if
We
you
have
want.
lovely suit pieces as well in the
Lovely.
cotton, in the silk.
Beautiful
Karwa weaving.
options.
It's a 3-piece set.
This is brand label Kosha Patel. Hello ma'am.
Hi.
Yes.
So we have festive collection like this. Can be worn wedding, something like this.
Okay. Beautiful options.
Also,
Okay. Mehendi ma ke haldi ma you can wear. Look at that. અરે બહુ જ
semi
બધા
festive હોય તો આવી રીતે.
semi festive. Okay. બહુ જ બધા color options છે એમની પાસે. Just look at that. Bright red.
આવી રીતે કંઈ
Okay.
મેં પહેર્યું છે એવી રીતે.
Right. All right. Look at the combination. Okay.
બંદેજ,
Bandage. Okay.
બનારસી આવી રીતે.
Banarasi. Very pretty.
Cordsમાં આવી રીતે.
Quads also. This is brand Amari, and they are here with their beautiful collection of abhas. You can get your fabrics and they will customize the work for you as well. They have beautiful options in bright, something like this in pastel, subtle. Look at the color combination. Classic pieces, green and red, pinks and red. Beautiful. They also have this very pretty Marodi handwork pieces. Just look at that. Look at the designs. This can be customized. You can get your own fabric and they will do the work for you. Look at that. Simply beautiful. And just look at the color options that they have. This is perfect for your trousseau, for festive, if you want to gift it to somebody. Lovely. Just look at the options. Again, customization is available. Look at the color combination of pink and blue. Very pretty. If you want something for mehendi, they have so many options and they have